MouseLight NeuronBrowser offers free datasets that are compatible with syGlass View. To access them, click Go to NeuronBrowser. Find the Examples drop-down at the top of the page and choose any of the provided options. For a more refined search, go to the top of the browser and search for a specific region, location, structure, threshold, or combination of the filters. You can preview the data before choosing to download. Select the download icon and choose Export JSON. Open the file location of the download. Drag and drop the file directly into syGlass View to begin using the data immediately. Enter syGlass View with a virtual reality headset for a more immersive experience. You may create as many datasets as you'd like in the NeuronBrowser. Each dataset will be saved as its own JSON file and can be reloaded for further exploration.